CapCut is available at your fingertips to transform your small business and make your brand stand out. You can no longer have to pay a model for your clothing store or brand. Yes, that's right. You can use CapCut with your phone to promote your business very easily. My name is Hannah Hedger. Join me on this informative episode of Digitech on your favorite lifestyle and ICT TV show, Digivation Network. Today, let's talk about how to use CapCut to model outfits for your fashion brand. It does not matter if you are just starting or maybe you are in the business already. CapCut will help you create realistic styles and poses with different outfits, thereby cutting costs while making sure you stand out. The first thing you need to do is to get your products ready. Number one rule for this to work is to have clear pictures. You have to take flat front side photos of your products on a plain background, otherwise it will be tagged unsupported. When your product photos are ready, go to Play Store or App Store to download CapCut for free. Install it and create an account using your details. If you already have CapCut on your phone, just upgrade it to the latest version. Note that you need to be connected to the internet before this can work. When you open the app, you will see different icons with labels on your dashboard. Click on the expand icon to see more options. Click on the AI model icon and it will open to show you 3 options, which are models, products, and poses. Click on models to choose your preferred model. These models are realistic AI generated images which are free to use. I am choosing a black model, and if you're curious to know why, that's conversation for another day. After selecting the model, click on products, then click the add button. From your gallery, select the photo that you want to use. You can select a maximum of 5 different photos. They will load, but only 3 can be generated at a time. If your photo does not have a plain background, or maybe it is longer than 500 pixels, CapCut will flag it as unsupported, stating the reason. You can delete unsupported images by clicking on the edit button on the lower right corner. Then select the image and click delete icon. Click the back button to go to the previous page. Click on the generate icon at the top right corner to generate images with plain background. Wait for all to generate and load. Then click export to save them. Very easy, right? To add more images, click on add and select more images. Repeat the process to create multiple images with different outfits. You can change your model's pose by clicking on poses after selecting a particular product. Make sure you select all the poses available to have different looks for your outfits. Isn't it wonderful and time-saving using CapCut to model your brand? Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/Digivation Network for more tech tips. See you soon. Bye.